Hi, this is Pam, Pam's Paper Place, and I thought we'd be gone today, but we still got things to do before we travel south for the winter. So I'm kind of glad we did stay an extra day because I got a package from BeeBeecraft. So this is a BeeBeecraft unboxing. So let's check out what we have. And I will be bringing this on the road with me to do projects with. So let's see here what fun items we have. Okay, let's look at these. These look great for boho beads, wood beads. Won't these be fun? All the different colors for boho beads. They're quite a large bead too. Let's see. Look at all the pretty colors, like oranges and browns, and that's a pretty design there. They're about, looks like about a little more than a ½ inch. But yeah, there's really pretty colors. Look at these. Kind of an orange and this color here. So these will be real pretty to make boho tassels with, or anything really. And you get quite a bit. I've got a big bag of these, and here is the number X-TB610Y. I believe that, yeah. And there's 50 pieces. 50 pieces of these beads. I really like those. Then, let's look at this bag. Wow, look at all the different colors. Let's check these out. Wow, a nice size too. Oops. Yeah, about 3/4 of an inch. And they're like a resin, kind of a rubbery. You got red, you got a blue, purple, yellow, green. These will be great on a little golden book, tassels, or in your journals, anywhere really. Aren't they cute? I love those. Oh, and I think there's a darker purple too. There's this darker purple, and this is like a blue. Well, I guess that's the blue color. Very cute. So, and then this, we get, let's see how many pieces. Let's see if it says here. One set, they're like, it says these must be resin, RESI-NB0001-10. I don't know, but there's a lot in there. Very fun. I'm excited about those. Okay, what else? What other fun items do we have from BeeBeecraft? All right, I have no nails. There. Oh, look at these. Those are pretty. They're like a metal. They look like a skeleton leaf. I think there's 5 in here. Look how pretty. They have like a iridescent color to them. Oh, those are beautiful. Look at those. I don't know if you can kind of see that shimmer. They have a bit of a purpley, green, yellow, blue. Very nice. always do the wrong. Whoops, that was the right. What am I doing here? Okay. Let's see. They're about 2 inches long. And these are item number XSTAS-S108-36. One set of those. I love those. And let's see here. Oh, we got some tiny little beads. Look at all these. They're pretty. Let's see. Does it say how many? Yeah, 200 pieces. Very tiny and intricate with a little gold around it, or a little, just really tiny, but be pretty on a little string or twine. So those are really pretty, lots of those. And the item number, yeah, you get a lot. Let's see what the item number is. CLB6MM-M. 200 pieces. Lots of different colors. A whole bunch of those. And one more thing. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So the last item here. There we go. Oh, look at these. They're clear, but they have little, I don't know if you can see that, little leaves on them. Tiny little, looks like gold leaves. See those little tiny leaves? And they have kind of a little, I don't know what you call it, little fluorescent, almost little colors to it, like a prism, blues and greens and yellow. So those are very different. I've never seen anything there. Oh, there's a look at my bad cuticles and nails. So these are XEGLA-S178-01E. And you get 30 of these little beads. You kind of see there's like a little purplish, gold, green. Those are really awesome. So I'm really happy with all of this from BeeBeecraft. I'm glad we waited a day to go, because I would have, my daughter would have had to send these to me in Texas, where we're going south for the winter. So I'm glad I got them now. Thank you so much, and check out BeeBeecraft.com. I think they have a sale ongoing. It seems like they always have some kind of sale, and I know their shipping is free over $25 order. So thanks for watching. You have a great night. Bye-bye.